Miss Barrett has 4 groups. In each group is 5 students. How many students does Miss Barrett have in total? So what do we need to act out this problem? Does anyone know? Take a volunteer. Yes, that's exactly right. We need 4 groups of 5, which we already happen to be in. So, in order to figure out how many students there are in total, we are going to count by 5s. So group 1, there are 5 of you in your group, but instead of counting you each 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I'm just going to count all 5 at once because I know there are 5 of you. Group 2, that's one more 5. What would you be? 10, that's right. Group 3, 15, group 4, 20. So how many students are there in total in Miss Barrett's class right now? 20 students, exactly. Alright, just like last time, I'm going to give you 30 seconds to discuss whether or not you think this is a multiplication or division problem and why. Green. Quietly discuss. I'm hearing really good discussion from group 2. Very on topic, keep it up. Good conversation from group 3. This is your 10-second warning. Alright, you're going to bring your attention back to me in 3, 2, 1. Alright, so does anyone know whether or not this was a multiplication or division problem and why? I'll take a couple responses. Thank you. So, we know this was a multiplication problem because we added or combined several smaller and even groups into one big total. So in multiplication, we add a bunch of smaller groups that are equal into one big group. Thumbs up if you understand, thumbs medium if you're kind of like, thumbs down if you have no idea what's going on. Awesome. Alright, when I say green, I'm going to give you 15 minutes to silently, safely, and quickly move back to your original seat so we can close out. Thank you. Green. I see that everyone is back in their original seats. I need your attention on me in 3, 2, 1. Awesome, thank you so much. Before I finish out the lesson today, I'm going to have you write an exit ticket that is your own multiplication and division problem. It could be based on the ones that we've done in class today, or it can be based on anything you want in an experience. The 2 things that you need to remember, though, is that for a multiplication problem, you are adding a bunch of equal groups together, and in a division problem, you are splitting those groups into smaller, even groups. I have a visual there, so that helps you. Are there any questions about the difference between a multiplication and a division problem? Awesome. Thank you. Before we go, we have about an extra minute. Would anyone like to share an example of a multiplication or division problem that they thought of in their heads already before we write any down? Awesome. Thank you. I'll share an example too. Sally has 3 chickens. Each chicken lays 3 eggs. How many eggs does she have in total? What type of problem would that be? Awesome. Great job. Alright, when I say green, you have 5 minutes to silently write your exit ticket word problem. Please don't forget to write whether or not it was a multiplication or division problem on the sheet. Thank you.